Hey avocado lovers! Today, we're diving into the creamy world of avocados. But before you grab that knife, hold up! There are some pitfalls you might not know about. Let's slice through the mistakes and ensure you get the most out of your ovo experience. 1. Rushing the ripening. Ever impatiently waited for your avocado to ripen, only to find it overripe or still hard as a rock? Patience is key. Avocados ripen best at room temperature. To speed things up, try placing them in a paper bag with a banana or apple. These fruits release ethylene gas, which helps accelerate ripening. 2. The dreaded brown mess. The disappointment of an avocado turning brown before you can enjoy it. Here's the trick. Once cut, avocados oxidize quickly due to exposure to air. Combat this by squeezing some lemon or lime juice over the exposed flesh. The citric acid slows down the browning process, keeping your avocado looking fresh and appetizing. 3. Ignoring the texture clues. Squeezing avocados like a stress ball at the grocery store. Hold on. The perfect avocado yields slightly to gentle pressure, much like the firmness of your cheek. Avoid avocados with overly soft spots or ones that feel rock hard. They're either overripe or underripe. 4. Freezing faux pas. Did you know you can freeze avocados? Well, yes, but not whole. Freezing changes the texture dramatically, turning your creamy avocado into a mushy mess. Instead, mash your ripe avocados with a squeeze of lemon or lime juice, then freeze in an airtight container. This way, you can enjoy guac or smoothies all year round. 5. Pit removal mishaps. Ever tried to pry out an avocado pit with a knife? Dangerous territory. Instead, safely remove the pit by gently tapping it with the edge of a spoon until it dislodges. This keeps your fingers and kitchen intact, ensuring a safe and enjoyable avocado prep. So there you have it, the secrets to avocado success. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to avocado bliss every time. Remember, a perfectly ripened avocado is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a creamy, nutritious addition to your diet. Stay savvy, stay avocado happy.